Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to make the crochet strawberry. This is a very easy pattern of this crochet strawberry. For this pattern you will need 3 color of silk thread. This is a Yarn Art Company thread. This is a 100% silk thread for specially for crochet project, and I am using 1.5 mm crochet hook. Some cotton, craft needle and stitch marker. Let us start. Take a red color thread and make one slip knot. Make 4 chains, 1 2 3 and 4. Then I am going to the very first stitch and make one slip stitch. Form a small ring and make one chain, count as a first single crochet. Make 10 single crochet into this ring. And then I am going to the very first stitch and make one slip stitch, join together. For next round make one chain and go to the next stitch, make one single crochet, and you make one single crochet in each stitch across. You do not increase any stitches in this round, and join it with slip stitch in the beginning chain. Next round you make only one single crochet in each stitch. You complete this round. I have completed my third round. You can use the stitch marker in every round. Then you make one chain and make one more single crochet in the very first stitch. First one chain, count as a first single crochet, and then I am going to the next stitch, make 2 single crochet, make 2 single crochet in each stitch in this round. Hello friends, I have completed my 2 single crochet in each stitch in this round, and I have total 20 single crochet stitch. And now I am making one chain, count as a first single crochet, and make one single crochet in each stitch. You do not increase any stitches in this round. I have completed my previous round one single crochet in each stitch across, and then you make one single crochet in each stitch in the next 4 to 5 round or lines. You repeat this stitch the next 5 to 6 lines. You do not increase any stitches in the next 4 to 5 round lines. Hello friends, I have completed my 5 to 6 lines. It looks this type. And now you cut your extra yarn, and this is a whole portion of this strawberry. So you take some cotton and fill up. You fill it tightly. Strawberry is ready. Then I am making the top part of the strawberry, this portion. So you take your green color thread. This is a light green color, and start from slip knot. Make 1 2 3 4 chain, go to the very first stitch and make one slip knot or slip stitch, slip stitch and make 2 chain, counter J, first double crochet, first half double crochet, and make 10 half double crochet into this small ring. 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. And then I am going to the very first stitch and make one slip stitch. Completed my very first round, and then make 1 2 3 4 chain, 1 2 3 4 5 chain, and go to the second chain from your hook and make one single crochet, and make 3 half double crochet in the next 3 stitches. And then I am skipping the next stitch. Go to the next and make one slip stitch and make 5 chain, 3 4 5. Go to the second chain from my hook and make one single crochet, make 3 half double crochet in the next 3 stitches. And then skip the next stitch, go to the next and make 1 slip stitch, and you make the same stitch, same pattern in this round. You make 3 more the same pattern. I have made the top part of this strawberry. This is a lip of the strawberry. Take your strawberries and you go to the front part, front side or top part of the strawberry and attach it. You take your craft needle, you can use this glue, hot glue, for attaching this leaf in strawberry. You stitch it very neatly in all sides. Then you cut your extra yarn or thread. And you can take the green color thread for hanging purpose. So here I have used the green color for top part of the strawberry. You can make the chain stitch for this pattern, and for this type of dot you can use white color thread, cotton thread or silk thread. Here I am using the silk thread. And take your craft needle insert your needle in the bottom part of the strawberry and pull through it, and you make simple stitch. This type of dot I am making in the strawberry. And you complete it with this white color thread all around, all over your strawberry, and your strawberry is ready for use. And this is a very simple and unique pattern of the crochet strawberry amigurumi. And thanks for watching my videos, and please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.